Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are still continuing the Intigriti 1337UP CTF challenge series, and today we are going to see another easy reversing challenge, that is anonymous. I have downloaded the file and unzipped it. This is the exe file. You can double check it. This is an exe file. So what you can do is that you can try using any .run to see what the file is actually doing, or you can do is that what I actually did is that I used ILSpy. So this is a fork version of ILSpy for especially for Linux. You can do is ILSpy. So there is a fork version of ILSpy for which is cross-platform. You can download it and set it up. I'm just using it as an alias, that's why it's running like this. So let's open the ILSpy and just load the project. I think it's in yep, that's it. So this is the binary we have, and we can see this is the main program. You can read through the program of what it's doing and everything, and you can do that, but I will just show you the simple solution. That's if you go in the resource section, you can say there is a bunch of string. You can just save it like this, and I have already saved it here. Sorry, I think I have saved it accidentally in the other folder. Yep, this one. And if I just open it here, you can see it's in binary format. So I can do is that strings like this, and then I will just copy the whole again, sorry for that, the whole thing like this, and then I will just paste it right here. And then what we have to do is that we will use the fork. So forking, what forking is doing is that forking is just making CyberShip to consider every new line as a separate thing. So if we just normally do base 64 decode here, then sorry, it's not to, it should be from, so decode here, then CyberShip is going to consider the whole thing as base 64, and it will be a bunch of gibberish. But if we use the fork, then we are telling CyberShip to consider each line, delimiter is new line, we are just splitting with new line and consider everything as a new line and try to decode that. So if we do this, you can see here is the flag is hiding here. You can do this, do the same thing in Python. You can just read the file, save it as a file, save it as a file, and just read the file and consider every new line as a new base 64 encoded string, and you can try to extract that thing. So that was it. It's just as simple as that. So it's a short video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.